Paul McCartney played a crucial role in inspiring one of Kanye West's hit songs, drawing from the emotional story behind one of the Beatles' most iconic tracks. The two artists formed an unexpected collaboration in 2015, producing the popular single for 5 Seconds, alongside Rihanna. In addition to this track, McCartney and West also worked together on Only One, a deeply personal song that Kanye wrote in honor of his late mother, Donda. The idea for Only One emerged after McCartney shared the story of writing Let It Be. He recounted how the song was inspired by a dream in which his late mother, Mary Patricia, reassured him during a period of worry by simply telling him to let it be. When McCartney told this story to Kanye in the studio, it resonated deeply with the rapper, who had recently lost his own mother. Inspired by the tale, Kanye decided to create a tribute to Donda through music. McCartney developed a melody on the piano, which eventually evolved into Only One. The track served not only as a tribute to Donda, but also as a heartfelt message from her to Kanye's daughter, Northwest. Reflecting on the creative process, McCartney explained that he had always used a structured method for songwriting, both in the Beatles and Wings. He described how he typically composed songs by sitting down with a guitar or piano, completing the song in one session, and then taking it into the studio ready to record. However, working with Kanye was a completely different experience. McCartney recalled that much of the process felt spontaneous, to the point where he was uncertain if they were even creating songs at times. He described their sessions as consisting of a few afternoons where they simply spent time together. While he played guitar, Kanye often sat looking at pictures of Kim Kardashian on his computer. McCartney admitted, wondering whether they would ever actually start writing music. It was only later that McCartney realized Kanye had been composing in his own way. As he played a riff, Kanye was already envisioning how to use it, ultimately speeding it up and incorporating it into the final piece.